How was that for your own personal access to the Rockhampton Botanical Gardens? 12 Treseder Street, The Range, architecturally designed and built in 1988, is one of Rockhampton's most unique homes. Come with me, let's take a quick tour. There's too much to love about this home, from the Oasis pool and the unique features throughout the whole property, but one of my favourite features is this kitchen. Recently refurbished without an expense spared, stone benches, 2-pack cabinetry and high-end Miele appliances. I think you're going to love 12 Treseder Street. This home is unique. It's very, very well built, and it backs onto one of Rockhampton's most precious gems, the Rockhampton Botanical Gardens. If we can help you call this property your home, give the team at McGrath a call. We would love to help you out.